Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks if needed. Place a wide drip pan to catch any brake fluid during the removal process. You will need to disconnect the wear sensor from the electrical line. Release the electrical connector by using a flathead screwdriver and rotating to release the clip indicated by the red arrow. For ease of removing the brake line, you will want to detach the cable mounts holding the brake line to the wheel carrier. For the front carrier, the lines are held at 2 points. Begin by using a T30 torque to remove the screw, red arrow, holding the cable mount. Use a T40 torque to remove the screw, red arrow, holding the second cable mount. The factory line sits in 2 grooves in the mount that correspond with 2 notches in the line. This keeps the line from turning while you unscrew the nut on the hard line, red arrow. You want to use the right tool for the job, and that tool is an 11mm flared nut wrench that is designed to grasp the nut on 5 sides. The nuts on the hard line are easy to strip. Do yourself a favor and use the right tool. Once you break this connection open, brake fluid will escape. It is slippery, but most important, deadly to your paint. Do not get any on your paint job. Have a rag ready to catch any brake fluid. Separate the flex line from the hard line. It's a really good idea to cap the hard line while the flex line is off, red arrow. This will help protect the line, stop debris from getting in, and keep fluid from getting out. You will now disconnect the line from the caliper. You do not need to remove the brake caliper to replace the line. We have removed the caliper for photographic purposes only. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench to separate the flex line from the hard line on the caliper, red arrow. You can now slide out the flex line, red arrow, from the mounting hardware. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque all bracket mounting hardware to 10 Nm or 7.5 foot-pounds. Never use any sort of tape or sealant on the threads when attaching the lines. Now you must bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have completely bled the system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.